Did you know there are people of all ages who have created ways to live the sailing lifestyle dream and make an income while doing it? It might sound like it's too good to be true because we're just so used to hearing that we can't have our cake and eat it too. We've been told we have to work hard while we can, and when we've saved enough for the kids' education, put enough away for our retirement, and have paid down our debts, then and only then can we think about living any kind of dream. Well, it's important to be responsible. It's possible to be responsible and enjoy the sailing dream now, whatever age you're at. I'm going to share with you 3 concepts that are going to revolutionize the way you think about your future lifestyle and the fulfillment levels you can achieve. I'm Kim, and I've been a full-time sailing cruiser for the past 7 years. My family and I have helped people learn how to escape the rat race on land and find freedom and fulfillment living the sailing lifestyle. Not only do we sail around to amazingly beautiful tropical islands, we also make a 6-figure income doing so. So how does a normal person, couple, or family escape from the oppressive rat race and start living a life filled with adventure, balance, health, connection, community, income, and this overall fulfillment that I'm talking about? It's to learn from those that have gone before you and proven to be successful. It's to understand the blueprint that thousands of others have created to seek an alternative lifestyle and then follow that blueprint. Right now, I'm going to share with you 3 special concepts about becoming a working sailing cruiser and how you can slip the line sooner rather than later. And I know you might be thinking it can't be that easy because if it was, everyone would be doing it. But again, I'm going to show you how you can make it work. With the right knowledge and set action plan, you can start enjoying the warm sun, blue beautiful sea, connection with nature, full flavored tropical fruits, and kind, caring, and supportive sailing community that's waiting for you. The first concept is to start setting up as many passive income streams as you can. As a cruiser, you don't actually need much money to live from, but you want a set amount every month to ensure you can continue to live the life. Living off of savings is no fun. You'll watch your kitty dwindle knowing that you'll have to return to land sooner rather than later. Passive income is money that's earned with no or little energy on your part. In the beginning, you might spend quite a bit of time setting up passive income generators, but eventually you'll sit back and reap the rewards. Examples of passive income are earning rent from a rental property, getting it from a book or music royalties, setting up or buying an e-commerce website that runs on automation. The list of passive income generators is endless and anyone can set them up. The big idea here is to spend time now focusing on creating ways to make a few $100s here and a few $100s there every month, and it eventually adds up to a reasonable amount of passive income. This is important because it provides a base level of income that requires little to no effort, freeing up time to make active income. That leads me to the second concept that sailing cruisers use to earn money while living the life. The second concept is to find a way to make an income remotely. Due to COVID, many people have been forced to work from home, and if this is the case for you, it might be the stepping stone to help you go from working in an office to working from home, or shall I say, working from your sailing yacht. The core thing to understand here is that it's entirely possible to work remotely from a boat. Thousands of sailing cruisers are doing it now. Internet connections are better than ever, and more employers are embracing remote working situations. What's important to grasp is that many sailing cruisers find ways to earn an income through remote working opportunities. That includes jobs like software programming, writing and editing, graphic design, accounting and bookkeeping, video editing, and the list goes on and on. If you can work remotely, you can work from a sailboat. The third concept is vital and actually must be determined before you carry out the first 2 concepts. Without doing this whole thing, the plan will fall apart. The third component is to create passive and active income streams that you are passionate about. The main idea here is that this is not about how to get rich quick or how to do painful work to fund a dream. The whole point of creating a new lifestyle is that you have the ability to decide how to set it up. When you choose a few of the passive income streams to set up, you want to choose areas that excite you. When you consider active work, you want to find opportunities for work that you enjoy. This is key because we're at a time on Earth where you can create a lifestyle that is healthy, balanced, exciting, and fulfilling. When transitioning from a land-based lifestyle to a sailing-based lifestyle, you have the power to create the life you really want to live. It's an opportunity to not just change a part of your life, it's a way to change your life completely, to change it to a life that suits you better. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't know a thing about setting up passive income, or I'm not passionate about anything work-related. Perhaps you can't do what you've been trained to do remotely. Or perhaps you think this is all too good to be true. Well, the truth is that there are hundreds of thousands of people creating alternative lifestyles that work for them. They're saying no more to the rat race, no more to negative news, no more to insane amounts of conflict and drama, no more to massive debt, and no more to unhealthy ways of living. If they can do it, so can you. To help get you started in the right direction, I created a book called The Sailing Cruiser's Guide to Making Money. My book outlines how cruisers find ways to buy a boat, how they reduce the costs. The book includes loads of passive income ideas, even more active income examples, in addition to ways on how to make an income by using your sailboat. What makes my book special is that it's not generic. It's not a how to get rich book or ways to become financially free. It's a guide on how to live your sailing dream now rather than when you're retired. And if you are retired and want to increase your cruising kitty, it will help you there too. And so what this guide will do for you is expand your thoughts as to what's possible. It will demonstrate how sailing cruisers of all ages are creating lifestyles that incorporate everything they love. Fresh sea air and abundance of wildlife, the ability to travel anywhere, an almost guaranteed sunset every night, friends at every port, deliciously local foods, and quality time with our loved ones. And as a sailing cruiser who has spent 7+ years figuring out how to make this work, what I've done is created a guide to help you do the same. As I've already said, we and thousands of others have made it work, so can you. If you click the link, you can purchase my Sailing Cruiser Guide to Making Money right now. And I'm also offering a special bundle deal with my How to Buy a Sailboat for Cruisers guide. This special will not be available for too long, so click the link and get it today while it's still available. My family and I are always here to help. We've empowered many people just like you to get amazing results. Click the link.